To change your body type in Where Winds Meet is very easy. You first need to ensure that you've purchased your transformation pill so that you can be able to change your body type. To do that, simply navigate to the menu and then select Shop. And under Shop, you want to go to the section Items and then scroll down until you find Transformation Pill. Now, as you can see, it does come with a cost. You will need at least 1,280 pearls before you can be able to buy it. So go ahead and just purchase the pearls, and once you've done all of that and you've successfully purchased this item, you can now be able to take that transformation pill to change your body type in Where Winds Meet. Once you've selected your body type, you bear in mind that is permanent unless you decide to buy another transformation pill. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.